What's up guys, how you all doing? In this video I want to show you guys how I made my first profit trading the financial market. Yeah, I've been trading for a while now, since last year, but it's been an unprofitable year for me. So this year I made my first profit trading the financial market. So I want to show you guys how I made the entries, the setup I saw, and reasons why I took the trade. So I believe that this video will help you guys who are still struggling. I'm still struggling, but I believe this video will help you guys who are still struggling in the market. So before starting the video, I want to first of all say, if this is your first time coming across this channel, yeah, in this channel I do more forex related content. I do vlogs and I trade live here on YouTube. So if this is what you're interested in, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn up your post notification so you're notified when I drop another new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So guys, now the charts. So this was the first trade I took. Yes, I didn't take this trade actually because it was because of the news that happened that very day. It was a CPI news. Yes, on a Wednesday. So, but I gave out this signal. I gave up the setup and the signal to my WhatsApp members in the group. So I gave out this signal for them to trade in case if they want to trade. So, but I didn't trade it because of the news. But as you can see now, the trade went straight to TP for 1:3. Yes, that's 235 pips. Yes, we are risking about 66 pips to make 235 pips. So it was a nice trade. So, but here is the actual trade that made me the first profit in financial market. So as you can see, the price broke my trend line and went straight down to TP for 1:2. No, not I didn't get 1:3. I get 1:3. Yeah, here's where I took my profit. Yeah, here is where I took my profit. So before we start the video, I want to show you guys what I saw and reasons why I took this trade. So if you go to the 4 hours time frame, yeah, as you can see, this is a 4 hours time frame. As you can see, gold has been in a bullish trend for a long time now. Gold has been in a bullish trend for a long time now. So I kept marking out my market structures, but I've cleaned it here. So I mark out my market structures, but straight to the main video. As you can see now, price has been in a bullish way uptrend now, flushed down, creating this demand zone. Yes, creating this demand zone. So immediately I saw this demand zone, I knew that price will still come back to this supply zone. As I knew that price will come back to this supply zone to push it down again. So immediately I saw it, I marked out my zone from the highest week. Yes, from the week, because this gave very quick rejection. So I marked my zone from the highest week here. So I'm now expecting price to come to that zone again. So I went down to my lower time frame. I went to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so I went down to my 30-minute time frame to look for where to place my entries. So I was waiting for market to give me 2 or 3 touches for a trend line, so as I can take my trade from a trend line break. So as you can see, price gave me the first touch and second touch. Once price came back to this zone, it popped, came down again, it popped to the upside again, creating also a divergence, creating a regular divergence from that level, show me that the momentum is now weak. You can see, give me a divergence, telling me that the momentum is now weak. So I'm expecting to short this trade. So instead of doing a sniper entry, I waited for my trend line break. Once price gave me the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. So I was waiting for price to break this trend line for me to enter my trade. So immediately I saw it, I went down to my 15-minute time frame. That's when I waited for my 15-minute time frame candle to close below the candle. As you can see it, let me zoom it out well. So as you can see, I was waiting for 15-minute time frame candle to close. So this is the candle that closed it. Immediately the candle closed, and now entered my sell position there. Now place my stop loss above the trend line. Yeah, so I targeted for 1:3. As you can see, the trade was a massive profit. A little bit of drawdown, but was a straight to take profit, making me almost $50 in this trade, because that's my first trade. So as you can see, this is something that happened here. The reasons why I gave this trade to my community too was that I saw this. And go to the 30-minute time frame again. As you can see, reasons why I took this trade. I saw the price creating a resistance level. Yes, price came down, came back to that supply. That's the resistance, flushed it down again. Finally, price broke out that resistance. So I was expecting it to turn to a support zone. So when it came down to the support, this is the first entry it gave us. When I come down to the, okay, let me stay for, let me look at this 13 minutes time frame. Price came down to this zone, but I didn't take this trade because I didn't see my confirmation entry. I didn't see reasons why to take this trade. So immediately price came down to this level, it tapped in, went up. So I was expecting it to come down again to this zone so that it can give me my confirmation entry, so I can able to place. Sorry for the interruption, my light went off, but I'm back now. So let's continue where we stop. Like I said, price was at this resistance level. Price came down, came back to this resistance level again. That was a supply zone. So price came down. So many buyers, many sellers took the loss here because they were expecting price to come down again from this level, but finally price broke out from this resistance zone. So I was expecting it to come down to this resistance zone for me to place my buy. But immediately price came down to this resistance zone, just tapped and went up. But I didn't take it because I didn't see my confirmation entry. So I was expecting it to come down again to this resistance level again. So price came back to this resistance level again. So I now saw a reason to take this buy. So I now saw my trend line. Price came down to this first touch, pushed down, came back to the second touch again, pushed down. So I was expecting it to break out from this trend line again. So that's where I drew my trend line. Do it so you can see, even with your divergence, you can see that price show the divergence from this momentum indicator, show that yes, the price is weak. So I was expecting to break out from this trend line. So I went down to my 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so immediately the price closed. The 15 minutes candle price closed at the break of this trend line. That's where I took my buy, but I didn't take this trade because of the news, but I gave the signals to my community in the Telegram channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is a short breakdown of how I made my first profit from the financial market. So I believe you guys like it. If you do like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn up your post notifications. Yeah, with time I'll be posting more of this kind of breakdowns in my channels. Yes, once I take a trade and make a profit, I break down. If I take a loss, I also make a trade video of how I made the losses so that we can correct ourselves. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.